welcome. My name is Jody Jordan, and today I have a Amazon Prime haul. I meant to get on here and do it earlier, but I was sick this whole week. Before I show you that, I want to show you. Oh no, it's not in here. But I'll just show you these. So I ended up purchasing the whole, I got this from Fat Quarter Shop, but I ended up ordering the whole entire collection of the gingerbread kisses. So I just wanted to show you all the different patterns that's in that. I'm hoping I'm in the camera because, let me come back this way just a little bit. Okay. So these were the two reds that I was talking about that I wanted to go against this one. I don't know which one I like better. I like the polka dot because of that, but then man, I love these gingerbreads. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but here's another red. It's more like a confetti. And then here is like Christmas lights, little candies, the gingerbread house. And then here's the gingerbread men in the pink. And then this is just like Santas and gingerbread and Christmas trees and cookies. These are the greens. Same print. Same print. Well, I got a whole bunch of this. I showed you guys this one. And then the candies in the green. Or I guess this is considered green, but it looks more blue to me. Then here's more of the sprinkles. This is green. This is real green. More of the Christmas lights. And the Santas and the Christmas trees and the gingerbread. And then they also have it in the gingerbread color of the polka dot. More of the gingerbread men. And then this is the white. So this is all those Santas and things. And then here's the candy, the Christmas lights, the confetti, and then another gingerbread house. I have no idea what I'm going to do for my Christmas party because I have so many different bags in mind that I think I'm just going to sit down and maybe make some out of some scrap material, or even maybe make them out of this. I don't know. I can't go wrong with what I want to do, but I have so many ideas in my head that I wanted to do. Anyway, so for Prime Day, I picked up a few things. I got this. Now I've already washed this fabric. I'm planning on making some bags and also making some, possibly some koozies, some bowl koozies. So you see these are coordinating. I might have already showed you guys this one. I can't remember. This. I don't know why I just don't flip it back. Like this, the green, the blue, and then I might have showed you guys this before. I don't remember. I don't think so. But anyway, these are the bee prints. I just love these bee prints. These are two different ones. I've already mixed them up, so I don't know what goes with what. There is a print that is repeating in here for both of the patterns, but that's okay. I know this is a repeat. And this one, I think this one, oh yeah, this one, but this one for sure is a repeat, but that's that. I feel deja vu, like I might have already showed you guys this, and I might have, but that's okay. I have plenty more to show you. Okay, so since I'm gonna I got this is, if you make bowl koozies, you're supposed to use the batting called, Wrap and Zap, but this is some off-brand or whatever, but it came, I already took it out, it came all shrunk up, and when you cut it, it like expands, but I got that. I got some webbing for to make handles on my bags if I want. I got the bright red because I'm thinking I'm probably going to use those. I don't know if I'm going to use this or not, but at some point I'm going to make some bags like that. Let me get this stuff out of the way. And then I got this, which if you got to use, when you make bowl koozies, you have to use 100% cotton, and you have to use cotton thread. I guess there's something in polyester that's if you're going to use them in the microwave. I'm going to sell them, so I want to make sure they're completely safe. So I just ordered a bunch of threads that are cotton. Just a whole box full of those, just to get started on bowl koozies. I believe that I'm going to sell in my craft fair, or I might make gift packs so people can use them as gifts. And then one of my, hold on, I got to grab the mat. I got the, I believe this is gold at the top. I haven't even opened it, but one of the ladies in my car class, I already had a scan and cut, but I didn't have the one that would do the rotary cutter. So I got the rotary blade, which that doesn't look like a rotary blade. Oh, because you have to pop this off. I'm not going to take that out of there yet until I'm ready to use it. I got to figure out what I'm going to do. I was thinking about putting one in each room, because I use my scan and cut in here sometimes. And then this was not a, this wasn't a Prime purchase, but I got this from Shabby, what is it called? Shabby Fabrics? Shabby Fabrics. And in the package, this is what I got. I ordered the apron hot pads. These are hot pads. And the one that I seen her do a video on was a Christmas one. So I thought this would be cute. You actually stick your hand in it. It's double-sided, so you can get your stuff out. And then I also bought this. It's a template, so it'll be a little bit easier to cut out. But now that I'm thinking about it, I might be able to scan this. Let me look. I might be able to scan this and just have my scan and cut it out, because I don't like to cut. That's like but it also takes a long time. Yeah, I might be able to do this. I might be able to scan this into my machine, especially as many as I make, but sometimes cutting is a little bit faster. So, but anyway, it came with, this is acrylic. I haven't even opened it and ripped it open yet. And then it sent me, I think they're just trying to sell me something with this one. And then this is just, yeah, more stuff that they're trying to sell me probably inside here. But that's my haul, and I have one more thing to show you, but I'm going to have to turn off the camera and go and film it and come back in, because it won't fit in my room. So I will be right back. So I've been talking about getting a new sewing machine forever. Originally, I was going to get a combo machine that was like an embroidery and a sewing, but I decided to just go with this. This is the Janome Skyline S7, and I'm so glad I did. This thing has all the bells and whistles, and I'm going to do a separate video kind of explaining all that. Right now, I'm just kind of looking for a place to put it. Originally, I know I talked about I was redoing my son's room, and I got it all painted and set up. I had company for a week and enjoyed that. And then, right as soon as I got almost everything set up, my son said he's moving back home. So I am going to try and figure out a way to move my craft room around a little bit and figure out how I can do a video, because right now it's sitting in my dining room, which is, I have an open concept home, which means it's just right there. So I couldn't do really any tutorials because I don't have camera set up in there, and it's just loud. Even with my room being off of the kitchen and living room area, I still can hear everybody when they come with my door shut. But stay tuned for that video, and I'm going to try and learn more about it. But they basically said that this is the bottom of the top of the line. So there's so many features on this thing. Like, I mean, the presser foot automatically raises for me and everything. I mean, it has the cutter on there. Like, my sewing machine probably came from like the 70s or 80s. It was an old Kenmore that came from Sears. So you can just imagine how old that is. Um, but anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon with hopefully some cute sewing projects. And I am going to keep on doing my paper crafting, and I will start that series of craft fairs really soon. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to make and how I'm going to do it. But just stay tuned, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Bye. Have a blessed day.